coming down Highway 9 south, where I used to live. That used to be the Castleberry house. Then the Dixie Grill used to be right here. And then here's where our house was. Right there. And they're building some massive industrial. Oh my God. Oh. Like a massive industrial warehouse. Pete's filling station's gone. That used to be Lee Soesby's gas station. And then of course this has been horrible for a long time, which is exactly why 40 years ago this past summer we moved, because my parents saw that this was all going to go commercial and said we're out of here. Unfortunately, 40 years later, that's what's about to happen where we live now. But this is the Midway community. It used to be a very small, close-knit community, and I don't know anybody that's left. I'm thinking, I think everybody is gone that I knew that lived up and down Highway 9 now, which is depressing. This was the Castleberry place. Betty, Jean, and Everett, Kevin, Dennis, and Benji. Just astonishing, just when you think they can't develop it anymore. And of course they're widening 9, which is a disaster. And now we're coming up on McFarland Road, which used to have nothing on it, and now it's gross. Here's somebody from DeKalb that does not know where they're at. Honestly, I'm surprised they have not widened this road before now, but my goodness. Hot mess between Alpharetta and Cumming. It's definitely picked up in the last couple of months. Before Daddy died. In fact, it might have been one of our last rides. Not the last, but I know it was after he got diagnosed. We rode around, all around here, Strickland Road and all. Oh, that's where our Brandy dog came from, our little Boston Terrier. But we rode a lot of these back roads. A lot of them I had not been on, ever. I don't recall ever being on them. And I have a pretty good memory about things like that, but I wish now I had recorded it, because of course Daddy knew every single place. But anyway, we're heading toward Alpharetta to the cemetery to make sure that the horrible winds of the last week have not blown away Mother and Daddy's Christmas flowers. We just got through changing out my grandmother's nanny and my great-grandmother, Molly, and we also put some flowers on my great-grandparent, Wade, great-grandparents, Wade. That would have been the parents of Mother's daddy, Mr. Elbert. So anyway, it's just, you know, if you grew up here, then like you appreciate just how vastly different this is. Like this still looks the same right here, but of course nothing else does. But we did not go to Cumming very often. But we live on the south side of the county, so that's why. Anyway, we hope everybody's having a good Saturday, and that you enjoy this little tour. All right, we're getting ready to turn now to go to Bethany. Have a great Saturday, y'all.